Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Mira from Kpop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. Okay, this is for the outfit guys, and I'm going to show you how I made this one. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it pink, and you can choose only bangs, and then you're going to choose this one as well. Make it no bangs and you're going to make it pink. And this hairstyle, you're going to make it stiff and remove the bangs and the bows. Make it pink. And for the necklace, put on this necklace, you're going to make it this color and combine it with this one, make it black. Okay, and then I'm going to select this shirt. Okay, and for this shirt, we're going to make it black. And I'm going to go to the toggle and I'm going to apply this one. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the next area. So for the next area, I'm going to go to the VIP room guys, because we need items from here. We can put on this skirt, and then I'm going to make it this orange color for the first selection until the third selection. And then I'm going to change the material to matte. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this chains as well. I'm going to make it this color. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to go to this okay, and I'm going to put on this item. I'm going to remove the fur and then make it black. Okay, and move to this area. I'm going to put on this skirt and then I'm going to make it this color for the first selection until the last selection. Okay, and then I'm going to select okay, and then I'm going to put on this boots. I'm going to make it only boots, and then I'm going to make it black. Well, actually not black, but I'm going to make this. Okay, you can color it like this guys for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and the last one I'm going to go to the okay, and the next one I'm going to go to then you're going to put on this earring. And the last one, go to the dressing room, and you're going to go to the coats item and put on this X. And then I'm going to make it on shoulder. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this okay guys, and that's all the way to create this Mira look from Kpop Demon. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Mira from Kpop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!